Hello friends, Rexona, you heard it right. Rexona is the world's best brand and it has specially designed Rexona Women's Shower Fresh Deodorant specially designed to prevent body odor and also act as sweat guard and anti-perspirant, giving you a fresh feel every day. Everybody sweats. Some of us sweat more than others. In fact, some of us sweat for no real reason. It's natural. We are all different. No matter your temperature or stress level, sometimes your usual deodorant may not cut it. But Rexona Women's Shower Fresh Deodorant has developed a new technology that creates a sweat guard and anti-perspirant shield. Although sweating may hold you back from everyday activities, it is for no match for our clinical protection, antiperspirant, and sweat guard for women. To combat heavy sweating and help you stay dry and fresh, Rexona has breakthrough technology that creates anti-sweat and antiperspirant microseal to help you protect from sweat for 48 hours against the body odor. Rexona's clever antiperspirant is 10x times stronger versus the basic antiperspirant, making it extra enduring. It is specially formulated to provide clinical protection when you need it most, which is sometimes every day. This clinical strength antiperspirant and sweat guard helps to form a barrier against sweat for that fresh feeling no matter what. You feel unstoppable all day with Rexona Sour Fresh Deodorant and with the best antiperspirant spray. And of course, the scent. And that is the best. It is so nice and fragrant that gives you top of the world feeling. Rexona's protection won't let you down. Hello friends, today I am going to unbox Rexona Women's Shower Fresh Deodorant. I have brought it from Amazon.in. Here you can see the barcode. It is packed in hard cardboard casing so that the content may not leak out, and it is written do not sip by air. It is tightly sealed from all sides. Here you can see the barcode and the QR code. You can scan the QR code on your phone and can get total details about the product. And now I am ripping it open. The MRP of the product is rupees 195 INR, but I got it for rupees 126 INR. And here I have opened the box, and this is the product. It is packed in polythene foam so that any damage to the product may not occur during seepage. Rexona Women's Shower Fresh Deodorant with a clean and fresh scent gives you 48-hour protection against the underarm body odor. It is safe on the skin, keeping you smelling fresh and fragrant all day long. Rexona Women's Shower Fresh Deodorant is a modern, clean floral fragrance with a fresh and dry feel to keep you smelling clean and feeling confident all day long. No sweat, it's not a big deal, right? Actually, sometimes it is. Sometimes sweating can hold you back. Usual antiperspirant spray may not, but Rexona Shower Fresh Deodorant fits perfectly. To combat heavy sweating and to help you stay dry and fresh, Rexona has developed breakthrough technology that creates sweat guard and antiperspirant shield. And here you can see there are total details of the product, and the shield helps you to protect you from sweat and underarm odor and keeps you fresh for 48 hours. Rexona's clever sweat guard and antiperspirant gives 10x protection and prevent the odor from the sweat, making it extra enduring. It is specially designed and formulated to give protection from underarm odor when you need it most, which is for everyday use. This sweat guard and antiperspirant helps to form a barrier against sweating and perspiration and foul body odor and keeps you feeling fresh no matter what. With ordinary deodorants, the fragrance and protection slowly fade away during the day as the product evaporates due to body temperature and sweat. Rexona Shower Fresh Underarm Protection is the only deodorant and antiperspirant that helps you to fight the sweat and foul odor all day long, continuing to release bursts of extra freshness and protection, allowing you to do more. Rexona Shower Fresh Deodorant is a modern, clean floral fragrance and is filled with fresh dry feel to keep you feeling and smelling clean and feeling confident throughout the day. Rexona is the world's number one deodorant brand. Rexona Women's Shower Fresh deodorant is specially designed to prevent body odor caused by sweat and bacteria which emits foul smell from the body. Even one drop of underarm sweat plus bacteria causes 90% of the body odor. Contrary to the popular belief, underarm sweat itself is odorless. However, the bacteria feeds on this underarm sweat and their waste product is what causes the body odor. To stop the body odor at the source, all you need is Rexona Shower Fresh deodorant. Rexona acts on the underarm sweat where the bacteria thrive to keep you smelling clean and protected from the odor all day long. It has a sweat guard technology which gives you 10x protection and prevents your foul body odor from sweat plus bacteria with 0% alcohol. It is safe on the skin. So whether you are running for a bus or train or going for a presentation to your boss or your first job interview, you can be confident and ensure best protection against the body odor, and Rexona won't let you down. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.